Okay, so good afternoon, student. Shall I start the lecture? Okay, so students, in the last lecture we had learned the halogenation reaction. Okay, so this halogenation reaction, it is one of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So in this halogenation reaction, we had specifically taken the bromination reaction. Bromination reaction. So you know that bromination reaction, it is nothing but the introduction of bromine. It is nothing but the introduction of bromine into the aromatic system. That reaction is called as bromination reaction. So you know that when bromine react with Br2, when bromine react with Br2 in presence of FeBr3, FeBr3, you will get bromobenzene as a product. What you will get? You will get bromobenzene as a product, and this is called as bromination reaction. And the conversion of this benzene to bromobenzene. Okay, this reaction takes place via three steps. That is, first step is formation of electrophile. Then second one is your attack on electrophile, and the third one is your loss of proton. So in the first step, what happen? Your Br2 react with your FeBr3. So you know that Br having lone pair of electron. That lone pair of electron react with FeBr3. So it's a acid base reaction takes place. Lewis base react with Lewis acid, and you will get the complex, and that complex breaks into your bromonium ion and your FeCl4 minus as a conjugate base. In the second step, your bromonium ion react with benzene. So benzene, it is a high electron density center. So benzene attack on bromonium ion, and you get the intermediate. That is the name of that intermediate is uranium ion intermediate. Then the stabilization of that intermediate takes place by resonance. Then the last step is your simply the loss of proton. The FeBr4 minus takes proton from the intermediate, and you will get the bromobenzene as a product. So this is just a revision that what we had learned in last lecture. So students, today I am going to teach you the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Which reaction? Alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So will not see its general, will directly take the example. So when benzene, let me draw the structure of benzene. So when this benzene react with alkyl halide, so let's take an example, CH3Br, that is anhydrous El in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. You will get the alkylation of this benzene ring. You will get the alkylation of benzene ring. So methyl group add to this benzene, and you will get this methyl benzene, or it is also called as toluene. This reaction alkyl group, and we are denoting this alkyl group by R. So this methyl group is alkyl group, and it is the introduction of this methyl group into this aromatic system. That's why this reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, and the reagent is anhydrous AlCl3. So the introduction of alkyl group into the aromatic ring, it is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. When benzene mixed with alkyl halide, and in a small amount of anhydrous aluminum trichloride, it's aluminum trichloride, a vigorous reaction takes place to give alkyl benzene, and thus this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Now let's see how this benzene is converted to methyl benzene, or you can say that this benzene is converted to your toluene. Okay, so to get its name, click on the structure and convert structure to name. You'll get the name of that compound. Just select that, click on the structure to name, you will get this toluene. Okay, now we'll see its reaction mechanism. आपण काय बघणार आता, रिॲक्शन मेकॅनिझम. हा बेन्झीन पासून तुम्हाला हा टॉल्विन कसा मिळतो, व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू सी इट्स रिॲक्शन मेकॅनिझम. and its reaction mechanism, it is nothing but the step by step explanation of your reaction. Reaction mechanism, it is nothing but the step by step explanation of your reaction. Okay, so here in the reaction mechanism, the first step, so in the reaction mechanism, the first step is formation of electrophile. First step is what? Formation of electrophile. So electrophile will generate in the first step. So let's see how that electrophile is generated. So in the first step, this methyl bromide react with anhydrous AlCl3. It react with what? Anhydrous AlCl3. So Control C, Control V, let me copy this. So the first step is right here. Let me type first plus. So what happened? This is your Lewis acid. AlCl3 is a Lewis acid, and this methyl bromide, it is a Lewis base. So this bromine having lone pair of electron, so this bromine, it acts as a Lewis base, and this AlCl3, it is a Lewis acid. So bromine gives its lone pair of electron to this AlCl3. Okay, and you will get the complex. Okay, you will get the complex, and that complex breaks into your methyl carbocation and AlCl4 minus. So AlCl4 minus. So here if we are using this AlCl3, so instead of this Cl, instead of this Br, Cl will be there. Okay, we are using now methyl chloride. Okay, so this methyl chloride react with AlCl3, same, this Cl having the lone pair of electron, instead of Br we are using Cl. Okay, we are simply replacing this Br by Cl. So this Cl having lone pair of electron, that lone pair of electron attack on this AlCl3, because AlCl3 having vacant p orbital, so it takes that lone pair of electron, and you will get the complex, and that complex breaks methyl carbocation. You will get what? Methyl carbocation. So this is your methyl carbocation, carbon having positive charge, and Al4. Second step. So in the second step, what happened? The attack on electrophile takes place. Attack on electrophile. So here electrophile is your methyl carbocation. So this benzene having pi bond, loosely bounded pi bond. So this benzene will attack on this CH3. What happened in the third step? Hello student, can you tell me what happened in the third step?
Removal of proton.
Yes, removal. Proton is removed by base in the last step. Okay, so removal of proton takes place, and the base is your AlCl4 minus. So this is your conjugate base. And can you tell me what is the function of base? बेसचं काम काय काम आहे बेसचं?
abstract proton.
येस, इट ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट प्रोटॉन. व्हेरी गुड. ओके, नाही ते गाणं पण आलंय बघा, बेस बेस म्हणून. सो इट टेक्स दिस प्रोटॉन. ठीक आहे. ओके, व्हेरी गुड. ते बरोबर लक्षात राहतं. हां, खरं आहे. हे इकडं शिकवलं ते लक्षात राहणार नाही. सरांनी सांगितलं ते गाणं आलं लगेच. सो व्हॉट हॅपन, द फंक्शन ऑफ बेस इज इट टेक्स प्रोटॉन. बेस म्हणजे आपला वेगळा बेस आहे. ठीक आहे. सो इट टेक्स दिस प्रोटॉन and the function of base is it takes this proton. ठीक है, as a H plus and the bond pair will delocalize here to form carbon carbon double bond, and the driving force for this reaction is aromatization of the ring. Aromatization of the ring, because this intermediate it is a non aromatic, and the driving force for this reaction, driving force for the last step is towards the aromatization. Once that base takes proton, it convert to aromatic compound, and you will get toluene or methyl benzene as a product. Toluene or methyl benzene as a product. Methyl benzene as a product. So you have to erase this double bond, and the byproduct is plus Cl3. The attack on electrophile takes place. Attack on what? Electrophile takes place. Fc alkylation reaction. This Fc is not a foundation course. Okay, it's a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. FCAR, modification of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So in modification, instead of this your alkyl halide, you can use alcohol or a alkene for alkylation. Instead of this methyl chloride, you can use alcohol, any alcohol or any alkene for alkylation reaction in presence of acid. So let's take a general example. Okay, so the general formula for alcohol is, tell me the general formula for alcohol.
ROH.
Yes, very good.
RH.
R is your alkyl group. ठीक है, when this alcohol react with acid, so simply takes place electrophile R plus and plus your water molecule, your water. So in this way, instead of this CH3Cl, you can use any alcohol, and this is the modification of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. This is what? Modification of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Instead of this, what you can say that alkyl halide, you can use alcohol for alkylation reaction, in presence of acid. Then another modification is, instead of this alkyl halide, you can use alkene for alkylating reagent acid. Okay, so this double bond will react with this acid, and you will get the carbocation as an intermediate. Mark where is that question mark? Okay, question mark. 2SO4 as a हायड्रोजनच काढतो म्हणजे तुम्ही काही वेगळंच काहीतरी काढा. CH2 at CH3A. CH2, it give H plus ion. It give what? H plus ion, and that H plus ion, this double bond will attack on that H plus ion. So you will get this type of intermediate. You'll get what? This type of intermediate. Let me draw the intermediate. CH3. Double bond breaks into plus H minus as a byproduct. ठीक है. अरे now this ring will react with this, okay, and this ring will form bond with this CH2. So the ring is bonding what? It form bond with this CH2, and you will get this ethyl benzene as a product. Okay, now while drawing the product, you have to check the valency of the carbon. You have to what? Check the valency of the carbon. Carbon having only 4 bond. 5 काढायचे नाही. कार्बनला 4च बॉन्ड असतात. कधी कधी कमी होईल जर इंटरमिडिएट असेल तर. व्हाट? नाउ दिस कार्बन हॅव्हिंग ओनली 3 बॉन्ड, 2 of this hydrogen and 1 of this methyl group. Okay, now this carbon having 4 bond, this 1 2 and this CH2 hydrogen 4 bond, this methyl group having 4 bond, CH3, okay, 3 of this hydrogen and 1 of this carbon. So while drawing the product you have to check the valency. 4च बॉन्ड यायला पाहिजे, 4च. 5 काढले तर तुमच्या नावाने आपण सेपरेट एक आपण बुक काढूया. कळलं का? 5च्या वर नको बॉन्ड, 4च काढायचे, 4च. चेक करायचं परत, परत 2 2 3 3दा हे 5 बॉन्ड झाले का नाही. कार्बनला 4 बॉन्ड असतात. ठीक आहे. सो डिड यू अंडरस्टँड दिस? हॅलो. ओके.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll see the another reaction. That is your Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Which reaction? Acylation reaction. So in acylation reaction what happened? It is an introduction of acyl group. Or anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous what? Cl3. Acylation of this ring takes place. Acylation of this ring takes place, and you will get the acylation of the ring. You will get what? Acylation of the ring. You will get a ketone as a product. You will get what? Ketone reaction. Acylation reaction. So this is your benzene. Benzene react with this acid chloride. Okay, so this is your acid chloride, and the name of this acid is acetyl chloride. This is your acetyl chloride. It react with this anhydrous AlCl3. You will get this acetophenone as a product. What you will get? Acetophenone as a product, and the this is your ketone functional group R C double bond O CH3 and HCl and AL as a byproduct, AlCl3 as a byproduct. Okay, so this is your Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. When benzene react with this acetyl chloride in presence of aluminum trichloride, anhydrous aluminum trichloride, you will get this acetophenone as a product. So simply this whole group तुम लोगों को क्या करना है, जस्ट हाउ टू अटैच दिस सी डबल बॉन्ड, एक रिंग कार्बन को सी डबल बॉन्ड को अटैच कर देना है, उसके बाद जो तुम लोगों का जो साइड चेन है CH3 वो ऐड कर देना है. ठीक है, सिंपली व्हाट यू डू, तुम लोगों क्या करना है, ये Cl निकाल के यहाँ से ये पूरा जो मॉलिक्यूल है, ये पूरा जो ये साइड है सी डबल बॉन्ड CH3 है, यू हैव टू जॉइन ऑन दिस कार्बन. ठीक है, while writing the product simply what you do, just have to replace this Cl. कौन सा भी कितना है बड़ा मॉलिक्यूल हो उसमें सिर्फ Cl निकाल देना है. कौन सी रिएक्शन में, फ्रेडल-क्राफ्ट असायलेशन में. ठीक आहे, फ्रेडल-क्राफ्ट असायलेशन रिएक्शन मध्ये फक्त तुम्हाला काय Cl काढायचं आहे आणि त्या रिंगला जॉईन करायचं आहे. इथं काय केलं आहे प्रोडक्टमध्ये, फक्त Cl काढलाय त्याने, बरोबर. सी डबल बॉन्ड और CH3 बाकी सेम है. सो while writing the product just you have to join this Cl, replace this Cl by this ring. So this is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So now let's see its reaction mechanism. Let's see its what reaction mechanism. So same, this acylation reaction also takes place in a 3-step. That is, the first step is formation of electrophile. Mechanism, that the first formation of electrophile AlCl3, it react with an anhydrous AlCl3. So what happen, the reaction of these two reagent takes place, acetyl chloride and AlCl3. You will get acylium ion as a electrophile. You will get what, acylium ion as a electrophile. Your carbon having positive charge, this molecule is called as acylium ion, and check its scientific name, it is 1-oxoethane 1-helium. Okay, so you simply called as a acylium ion plus LCl. Step second, electrophile. Very good. Second step is attack on electrophile. So a ring is your nucleophile, benzene ring. And the reaction of this ring with this electrophile takes place. So this ring having this double bond will attack on this carbon. Okay, and you will get the intermediate. First there is a formation of pi complex between your electrophile and a ring. Then that pi complex changes to sigma complex. Pi complex changes to sigma complex. CH3 here, acetyl chloride, you can use any organic acid. This R may be ethyl, methyl, propyl, butyl or aromatic group. So same, instead of this acetic chloride you have to use this acetic acid. You will get the acylation of the ring. And you can also use acidic anhydride. Let me draw the structure of acidic anhydride.